We are launching a new in-app service in 7 days. All of you need to be ready.
How's it going? Right. How's it going?
Yeah, it was delayed, but finally it was launched.
Look, I think the real issue of our systems are all over the place. Every time we have to manually figure out our loads in network interfaces.
Exactly. Time after time we miss the deadline.
Can we have a unified network management platform?
Introducing Huawei's Cloud Fabric 3.0 Data Center Network Solution. The solution is a great fit for building a multi-cloud, multi-data center autonomous driving network. Some of the solution's highlights include unified health visibility across cloud networks, one-click troubleshooting, automated simulation and validation of network changes across clouds, and error-free configuration. All of this shortens service deployment time from 1 week to just 20 minutes. Huawei's Cloud Fabric 3.0 Data Center Network Solution is designed to build a multi-cloud, multi-data center autonomous driving network for the financial services industry.
Okay, next up, we need to roll out a new app in a day. Are we ready?
Let's go grab lunch first.